Hello, I would like to welcome all of you to MAT 2032 Biostatistics, or the online course. I'm going to go over a few things that are really important to be successful in this online course. The first thing I need you to know about is what is required. The required material is for you to purchase an access code. It's an access code for the My Math Lab course site. You can find it at www.coursecompass.com. It will then ask you for the course code. The course code you will find on the first page of your syllabus. Then it'll ask you if you have an access code. If you purchased an access code for another class in My Math Lab this past year, it's probably still good and you have the access code. If you have never used My Math Lab before, then you'll need to purchase the access code. So you'll say yes, and they'll have you purchase the access code. This access code includes the online site for all of your homework and exams. You will not be able to do any of the assignments for this class without this access code. All of your homework, all of your exams will be done on this site. It also includes an e-version of the textbook. It includes the Minitab lab book and other resources. I also have a lot of these resources also put up separately on the portal site. There's the ISBN number for this access code. If you want to, you can purchase the Biostatistics for Biological and Health Sciences by Triola and Triola, second edition, but it's very expensive. It's probably almost a $200 book, and it's not necessary because the access code gives you a e-version of this textbook. It's really important that you also have a statistical calculator. The TI-84 has statistical capabilities, but so does a $20 TI-30. So you just want to make sure it says that it's a statistical calculator, and that'll be fine. There's a new federal regulation that requires all students taking an online class to academically engage in the course within the first 48 hours. So I have posted an orientation assignment on that Course Compass website. To get to that Course Compass website, though, you're going to have to purchase that access code. So you need to be able to purchase that access code from the very beginning. If the only problem is purchasing the access code on that first 2 days, you need to contact me right away, and I'll try to put something up on the portal for you to do instead. But you'll start getting behind as soon as you are not doing the homework for that unit. It's the orientation assignment on the Course Compass is just about the procedures on how to use the website. It's not statistical in nature at all, and it should be a very easy 10 points that you're going to add to your grade. There are no exceptions to this rule, though. If you have not completed this assignment by the end of the 48 hours, Florida Southern will have to automatically drop you from the class. No exceptions whatsoever. It's a federal regulation. So please contact me if you have any questions about this. Several components to the class. There will be assigned readings from the textbook. There are lectures that I have recorded, and they're on the website under each unit. There are lecture notes that are just notes that I took. It's kind of like the Cliff Notes version of the course. It's just the notes I use when I'm in the classroom teaching. Then I have the PowerPoint slides separate from the lectures that you can just print out the PowerPoint slides. I suggest you print them out as handouts, 3 per page. That allows you some room to take notes. The Minitab labs are all posted on the portal, and so are the Minitab data sets that you need for these labs. The assigned reading are in the textbooks. I think it's a good idea to read the material before listening to the lecture, then go to the lecture captures, listen to the lecture, and then possibly go back and read the sections again in the textbook. When you listen to the lectures, I would print out the lecture notes and just review them. That's kind of that Cliff Notes version of the book. It's just the formulas and what they stand for and those kind of things. Print out the PowerPoint slides as handouts, 3 per page. This will allow you to have some room to take notes. Then listen to the lecture and take notes in the space provided on the printed out PowerPoint slide handouts. You can read the Minitab lab book, which will give you the Minitab procedures. I also recorded a Minitab Lab lecture for each of the labs. So you can listen to my telling you how to do the labs. Then you download the Minitab Lab from the portal. It's just a piece of paper that has questions and blanks for you to put your answers in. You can either, it's saved as a Word document and post it on the portal. You can either type your answers and save the document as a Word document. Please do not try saving it as other things, because I have trouble opening up anything but a Word document. Or you can handwrite your answers in and then just scan the labs and save as a PDF file. If you do not have access to a scanner in your home, you can go to any copy center and they have scanners. But do not try to take pictures of your labs. I can't grade a picture. I can't get them big enough to see your answers. So make sure you either write them, save it as a Word document and upload it to the portal, or handwrite your answers in, scan the papers and save it as a PDF file and then upload it to the portal. Help. Since this class is online and many of you are all over the country, I do not have any formal scheduled office hours, but you can always email me questions to sserrano@flsouthern.edu. I will answer emails Monday through Friday between noon and 5. If we are not able to resolve your questions via email, we will talk on the phone or Skype. No matter what's necessary to make sure you understand the answers to your questions, I'll make sure that we do that. It's very important to me that you're successful in this class. So that is